In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend email in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up Gmail's undo send feature so you can quickly pull back a message right after you hit send. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser on your computer. This walkthrough is designed for the desktop version, which gives you the full settings you'll need. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings to get to the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll a bit until you find the section labeled Undo Send. This feature doesn't reach into someone else's inbox and remove a message. Instead, it adds a short delay after you press send. During that brief window, you can change your mind and cancel the send. Choose the cancellation period that works best for you: 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. If you're not sure which to pick, 30 seconds is the safest choice because it gives you the longest grace period to spot a typo, add a missing attachment, or correct the recipient. The trade-off is that your emails won't actually leave your outbox until that window closes, so there's a slight delay before they're delivered. After you choose your time limit, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is crucial. If you don't save, your selection won't apply. Gmail will refresh, and your new setting will be active right away. Here's how it works in practice. The next time you send an email, watch the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small banner that says Message Sent with an option to undo. If you realize you need to stop that message, click Undo before the timer runs out. Gmail will pull the email back and open it as a draft so you can edit it, add files, or discard it altogether. If you don't click Undo in time, the message is sent permanently and can't be recalled. A quick reminder, the maximum unsend window is 30 seconds. After that, there's no way to take the email back, so choose a time frame that gives you enough breathing room. You can return to settings anytime to adjust the cancellation period as your needs change. That's all you need to set up and use Undo Send in Gmail. Enable it once, pick a sensible time limit, and you'll have a reliable safety net whenever you press send.